In the quiet of the morning, when the light begins to paint the hills, you remember why you're here. A hot cup of coffee, a view that never gets old, and the sound of water always nearby. This is life at 2,500 feet, where the air is fresh and the ocean awaits just over the ridge. This 7-acre property in Serenity Gardens offers complete self-reliance, with a modern hydroelectric system, solar panels, and over 10,000 liters of stored water. Here, pure spring water flows from a legal private well, a priceless gift in today's world. A mountain view main house, a guest retreat, an art studio by the pond, and a greenhouse, all nestled in fertile land with food growing right outside your door. And with space for additional buildings, the vision can keep expanding, just like the horizon. Winding trails and internal roads guide you through forest edge and reforested hills. Land once cleared, now growing back, tree by tree. A river to swim and refresh runs through the property, feeding life all around it. Every footstep here connects you to the soil, the future, and the reason you came. Some spaces spark inspiration as easily as they bring calm. A studio by the water, a moment of stillness, a place to make something beautiful, or simply watch your child discover the world. A suspension bridge, a private river, a waterfall you can see from your own balcony. This isn't just real estate. It's a living ecosystem, a refuge for the soul, and a place to build something that lasts. Welcome to your future, rooted in serenity.